maybe some friends has a question. What's this product? To be honest, I don't know it either. Because when we accepted this project, the customers just told us we can show this product online, but regarding to the detailed application, they can't show us at present. When the time is suitable, they will tell us what this product is used for. We understand the customer's requirement, so we respect their requirement and just manufacture the sample and the product for them. So didn't put forward more question.